Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi Q5 rear brake pads. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported with jack stands. Next, loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheel, then raise the car and remove the wheel. This provides clear access to the brake assembly, allowing you to begin the replacement process safely and efficiently. Always prioritize safety when working on your vehicle. Now let's remove the brake caliper. Begin by disconnecting the electronic parking brake connector. Then, locate and remove the two caliper guide bolts, typically found on the back of the caliper. Once these bolts are out, carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. It's crucial to support the caliper so it doesn't hang by the brake hose, preventing damage to the brake line. With the caliper off, remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. For the Audi Q5, you'll need a diagnostic tool to retract the electronic parking brake piston, as it cannot be simply pushed back. Once the piston is retracted, install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they are properly seated. Apply anti-squeal paste to contact points if recommended. To reassemble, carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Reinstall and tighten the two caliper guide bolts to 35 Newton meters. Reconnect the electronic parking brake connector. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm to ensure the pads are seated and the piston is extended. Check the brake fluid level and top up if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.